Welcome back to Grow with ESA. So, you want to make money with YouTube Shorts channels without showing your face? You've come to the right place. A lot of people get stuck at the beginning because they don't know where to start, and a major part of that challenge is choosing the right niche. Picking a niche is crucial because it helps all your videos work together. When one video goes viral, it can drive traffic to all the other content you've uploaded in that same niche. But don't worry, if you're unsure about which niche to pick, I've done the research for you. After watching this video, you'll have a clear idea of which niches to choose and how to generate content effortlessly. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 top YouTube Shorts niches. Let's dive in. Top 10 YouTube Shorts niches. Funny Stories Example Channel. Videos featuring humorous stories with stock footage or AI-generated backgrounds. Popular for viral content. Quizzes and Riddles Example Channel. Channels that feature challenging riddles or quiz questions. These engage viewers and encourage them to comment or share their answers. Scary Stories Example Channel. Creepy, horror-themed content that captures viewers' attention, often getting millions of views. Travel Example Channel. Videos like 10 countries with the best food that attract millions of views. Travel content typically has high CPM due to ads from companies like Expedia. Texting Stories Example Channel. Text message exchanges between people, often funny, dramatic, or awkward. These videos are highly engaging and get millions of views. Drama Videos Example Channel. Channels that focus on popular YouTubers or trending drama topics. Tap into the fame of well-known personalities. Fun Facts Example Channel. Channels that share interesting facts about various topics like animals or history. Even random facts can perform well. Animals Example Channel. Videos featuring animal facts or extinct animals. AI can help generate animal-related content in seconds. History Example Channel. Videos about historical events or figures. History content remains popular and performs well on YouTube Shorts. Psychology Example Channel. Videos on topics like relationships, mental health, or human behavior. Psychology-based content performs well, especially with an engaging, simple presentation. So there you have it, 10 amazing niches you can dive into to make money with YouTube Shorts, all without ever showing your face. What's even better is that with AI tools, you can create these videos in a matter of minutes, making it easier than ever to build and scale your channel. Keep in mind, YouTube Shorts is one of the best ways to get exposure fast and can drive traffic to your long-form videos as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. You want to grow sales, brand, store marketing, and marketplaces? Then visit our website and get in touch with us. The website link of Ecom Scale Up Agency is in the description.